Hi everyone, it's Mike, and today I'm just going to give a bit of credit to Alex from Bushcraft for designing this macro firelighting kit. So it comes in a good 2 ounce Altoid tin for a start, so that's very good. You can keep all your tinders and firelighting equipment in here. Now it also comes with the LMF Scout Fire Steel 2.0. It just doesn't put that in there, that's the only thing, but it will fit. So when you open it up, you see that what Alex has done is wrapped a lot of the stuff in cling film. So here I think I have some sort of Esbit style fuel, some like cotton wool, it might be PJ cotton balls. I think this is waxed jute, some normal jute twine, a little tea light candle, some wet fire, a clipper lighter, see-through ones. Alex really likes these, really promotes them. And then you have a little tinder capsule. Not sure whether this does have, it doesn't have anything in it, but you do have a small tinder capsule. Sorry about this, guys. So, let's move my drink out of the way, and sorry about the camera work. As you can see there, that's the crux of the firelighting kit, and then we obviously need to throw the good old fire steel in there as well, and that's what you get with the macro firelighting kit. I think it's the macro and it might be the mini. Sorry if I'm wrong, Alex. But great kit, really well thought out. 2 methods of firelighting. One method here of like prolonged fire. One surefire. And then we have 3 other tinders, and then again I think this is another method of prolonged fire. So very good. Really would recommend it, especially for a beginner, to be able to light their fires successfully and learn, how to use each one of them. They might not be too proficient with the fire steel yet, so they can use the lighter, good quality lighter. So thank you for watching, guys. I will take a few photos of the items so you know what's in this kit. Please remember to check me out on Facebook at Strat2206 Bushcraft, and please remember to go check my website out, which is strat2206bushcraft.weebly.com. Also, please do go check Alex out. His prices are great and his service is even better. So that's alphabushcraft.co.uk, I think, or .com. I'm not 100% certain, but I'll put a link in the description for you. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.